Hello everyone. I hope y'all have had an awesome day. I'm just at home relaxing. I just got back from eating. I met Jonathan and our friend Sean across the street at 3B's. And they're over there watching the Rockets game right now, and I got the Rockets game on here. Right now, we are winning 9-7. It's only game 1, so it's okay. No stress here. But yeah, so just at home, fixing to get the vlog edited and uploaded. And I really need to get back on my routine of getting it done in the mornings before I go to work. My schedule's just been a little crazy lately, but I'll get there. So yeah, it's only Tuesday. Whew. What a day it has been, but a good day. Look who's home!
I was already home.
Well, I'm just saying, look who's home.
I just got home from
Yeah, you just got home from hanging out and eating some food. What is she doing?
She's licking my fingers like I have food on them.
My son's home.
What it do?
So yeah, we're still watching the Rockets game. They are up by, what was that, 12, 13?
14.
14? Yeah, they're up by 14. Keep it up, Red Nation. Keep it up.
Let's go.
Really? How was your day at work, babe?
It was alright.
It was alright.
Yeah, just doing stuff around there because they need to be organized in the warehouse.
Fun stuff.
Yeah, it's fun stuff, but now I think I jacked my back a little bit.
That's not good.
No, now with bowl time it's Saturday.
Yeah, that's no bueno. He has to bowl good Saturday. That dude right there. Right there. Him. Yeah, his back can't be messed up.
Introducing the sirloin third pound burgers from McDonald's. They're 100% sirloin top, premium ingredients, and they're only around for a limited time. That's not the only reason you need them. Enjoy the flow while it lasts.
Hey, what are you doing? You said you were going to find out about flexing?
He woke up.
PJ.
Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Yes,
Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
What are you doing?
Finished uploading the vlog.
Did you get it post?
Yeah, it finally posted. It actually posted twice, so I had to delete it. But it's up.
So what should they do? Like it and subscribe?
Like it and subscribe.
And give it thumbs up?
Also, I have... There goes my phone. Also, I have our Facebook page linked below. And the very first video that we did, which talks about our journey to starting a family. I know I haven't talked about it really since we started like the first couple videos. But the reason for us starting our vlogging is to document our journey going through adoption and starting our own family, because I can't have kids. But again, watch that video. It'll be linked below. And that video is live now, so if you're watching this, you should go check it out after. Yeah. Back to you, Mr. Barrett.
So we're watching the Rockets.
I love that change of subject.
Yeah, we need them to
Get back on their game.
we need a momentum swing right now. Yeah, there it goes. Now we're down by 3, not 5. Thanks to Mr. Harden. Oh, now it's back to 5. So technically, folks, they need to play better defense and offense and not rely on Harden all the time, but apparently, who knows? That's why I'm here and they're making the big bucks. So.
Okay, so I totally thought I showed y'all the cat's new collar on one of the other vlogs, but I was watching back and I evidently didn't, or somehow it didn't get in the vlog, but I gotta show you because it's the most cutest, adorable thing ever. It has, we gotta get her in the light. I know, she's all mad at me. See, it has a cute little bow, and it has a bell somewhere. But yeah, that's the cutest part. She's a kitty with the bow. Kind of like Hello Kitty. It's so cute. Now go back to Daddy, because that's where you want to be. Yeah, still watching the Rockets game, and they are down by 4. Come on, Rockets. Y'all got less than 4 minutes to get the win. Come on. Hey, guys.
Hey, guys.
I know this vlog is not very long. We didn't really get a lot of footage today.
Nope.
But we're going to go ahead and end the vlog.
Yes, we are.
So, if you like the video,
Give
hit
it a thumbs up.
and hit that subscribe button. And share our page, share our videos, share whatever. We are 68 subscribers away from where we want to be right now, which is 100 subscribers. That's our first goal. So,
Yes.
yeah, so help us get there.
We're slowly getting there, but we'll
Slowly,
get there.
but yeah, slowly but surely we will get there. It takes time, but we will get there.
Yes, we will.
So yeah, again, I have our Facebook page posted below, and our very first vlog posted below as well. So just in case you didn't see our first vlog and what our story is and why we vlog. So yeah. Yeah. Awkward silence. Where's the cricket? Anyways,
Yep.
we're gonna go ahead in the vlog, and we will see y'all tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.